everyone, it's Kezzy over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. My name is Kezia and this is a space where I share all my love for makeup, lifestyle and well-being. Today's video is going to be another gift idea. If you haven't already gotten your gifts for your loved ones, but it could also be a place that you can save if it comes to it, if you need a gift in the future, and even it is a great alternative to looking for diamond jewelry basically, because this brand uses what is known as Moissanite, which is a great affordable alternative to a regular diamond. This video is basically just going to be all about the brand called Read Your Heart, and it is a beautiful brand that provides affordable jewelry for everybody, and it is so beautiful. I have one of their pieces that I have tried before in the past, and I have worked with them in the past before as well. I also have a discount code. I'll leave it linked in the description box for you guys to save something off your Read Your Heart orders. So if you want to see what I have to share with you from Read Your Heart today, then keep on watching, and if you like today's video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. Until then, I wish you all the best for the holidays and the coming new year. So let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So I have a package over here, which is from Read Your Heart, which I haven't unboxed yet, so I'm just so excited to see what is inside. I know one of the things, but I don't know, I think there's something else that the brand so kindly sent, so I'm really just excited to see what there is in here. We have the two items over here, which I know one of them, I don't know the other. And then we also have these things as well. So let me just tell you what these things are, and then we'll go on to the product as well. So basically, whenever you order something from Read Your Heart, you will get a bag. So you can put your gift inside, which I find is absolutely amazing. So this is the Read Your Heart bag over here. So you can put in your present, which I find is absolutely fabulous. Get this cloth so you'll be able to clean your jewelry pieces, and you will also get the guarantee for the items as well. Basically over here you have the Moissanite guarantee. Second, it's like a granite report, which shows kind of the uniqueness of your piece. Over here is the Moissanite report. This is the warranty of your piece as well. You also get over here a little bit of a booklet on how to take care of your jewelry and a little bit about the brand. I'm just going to read this part because I absolutely love this about Read Your Heart. Basically, the founder of our brand is called Alyssa, is an editor of a fashion magazine, and Read Your Heart was originated through a trip to the Antarctic Pole. She spent the most unforgettable time of her life during this trip. The dream-like aurora australis made her feel the eternity of time and the beauty of life. All of this deeply shocked and inspired her, and kind of this is where Read Your Heart began. It's a place where we can find affordable jewelry pieces which look absolutely exquisite, but it is a place that is also affordable as well. Basically over here as well, it shares the story of Alyssa, and basically she lost her engagement ring during this trip. But even more surprising is that towards the end of the trip, Alyssa was attracted by the dazzling diamond ring worn by an elegant and charming lady. During the conversation, the lady told her that this was a gemstone first discovered in a meteorite, and later scientists created this gemstone perfectly in the laboratory. It has the same hardness and fire as diamond, but the price is only a few tenths of a diamond. So yes, you guessed it, the gemstone is a Moissanite. So that is where the creation of creating Read Your Heart Moissanite jewelry came from, and I find that that is so beautiful that then she also got to share it with the world. So that is where the Read Your Heart origins comes from, and this is why it's a brand that I absolutely love working with as well. I've worked with them in the past, and it's a brand I truly absolutely love. Two packages. I know one of them because I was so grateful to choose one of the items, but I don't know the other one. So let's just see. So important to note, you get the items in this green box. So here we have the first one over here. Each of the pieces that you buy also come packaged like this as well. Yeah, this is the ring actually. Oh, how sweet. This is the piece that they actually sent over themselves. So basically this is a 3-stone heart Baguette Moissanite ring. Absolutely beautiful. I'll leave everything linked down below if these products also call your name. And oh my goodness, that looks so pretty, and I like that it's shaped into a heart as well. I did not know about this, so this is new to me. I absolutely love this, and it's actually like, it's not too bulky, which I like rings like that. and it's actually quite pretty. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god, this is really pretty. I don't know about you, but like something like this just elevates your outfit, but also even like, and now I need to just go to my nails because my nails are a bit horrible, but just looking at my hands like this, I'm like, oh, now we have the second one, which is right here, and this is the one that I chose. The ring that I chose is a vintage halo oval cut Moissanite ring as well, so I have 2 new rings to my collection. This is so cute because it looks like a vintage ring. That's absolutely beautiful. I have nothing like this in my collection and I absolutely love this style. This is so, so pretty. Oh my days. I absolutely love this. Oh, look, and I don't know, like looking at it like this, it just elevates your outfit. It elevates your look. I absolutely love this. And I just want to say that the quality of these products last long. I mean, these earrings have been with me. I believe now it's been over 2 years because I've worked with them, I think the first time 2 years ago, if I'm not mistaken. And the quality of them just look impeccable. They still look brand new. So that is very important to remember as well. So it's very good quality, even though you're paying at a more affordable price, the quality is just as great. These earrings don't feel heavy, not even the rings themselves, they feel so heavy, they don't feel so heavy, but oh my days, absolutely beautiful. I mean, the fact that they're more affordable, I would say, you know, if it's something that you want and it gives the same kind of look as well, just go for something that is more affordable. Those are the 2 rings that I wanted to share with you from Read Your Heart today, and I absolutely love this. Honestly, Read Your Heart could be a very great place to also look for some gifts as well for your loved ones. They also have rings, they have necklaces, they have jewelry, they have other jewelry pieces as well. So that was my video today. Which ring is your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. And have you heard of Read Your Heart? Let me know in the comments down below as well. And a gentle reminder that I have a discount code if you want to save something off your Read Your Heart order. At the same time, they have an amazing Christmas sale going on at the moment, so definitely check them out. Just want to say thank you again to Read Your Heart for wanting to collaborate with me again. It really means a lot. And thank you to you guys, because without you guys, this wouldn't be possible. I hope to be back with more videos for you guys as well. Kezzie's Corner has always and will always be a space for me to let go and to have a safe space to kind of just be me and be creative, and it's a therapeutic place for me as well. I'm gonna go now. I hope you have a lovely rest of the day and I wish you all the best for the holidays and for the new year. In the meantime, take care and love you lots. Ciao!